Hi, my royal family. How are you guys doing? It's your girl, Flawlessly, aka Linda to the world. To my new subscribers, I say welcome. Thank you for joining the rolling and the moving family. And to my returnee, you guys are the real deal. Thank you for your comments, the like, and the share. I do not make light of it. In today's video, I want to show us how we can promise a cream that how we can promise it and it will give us that beautiful glow without reaction. The cream I'm talking about is this. This is Clear. Can you see it? I don't know if you can. Okay, yes. This is Clear cream. Clear cream is a beautiful and mild cream. I will recommend this cream for you guys to go and try and come back and share your testimony with me. Okay? This cream you're seeing is mild. It states that it does not contain hydroquinone, and I don't know how true it is because I'm not the manufacturer, okay? But I can tell you it helps achieve a clearer skin. That is the truth. And some of the ingredients in this cream is we have lemon extract, kojic acid, which is very good for lightening the skin, especially fair skin tone. Okay, and we have paraffin and other ingredients. Yes, get this cream if you want to lighten up without reaction, without any bad reaction, like eczema and sunburn or white patches. Okay, I can tell you because I'm using it right now. Yes, I'm using this. I say I will do a review on it and I'll come share what's up and come tell you the real thing with it. Oh, the real truth. Okay, sorry, please. The real truth, how it works and how the side effects and all of that. So I'm here to tell you the real truth. Get this cream for me. You can use this cream alone if you want to brighten up your skin tone. If you are a dark skin, okay, you can use it alone. Add it with olive oil. That is all. And pair it with any good soap. Your skin tone will come out beautiful, okay? But if you want to activate it a little, get the oil. This is the oil. BioClear work this way together. It works well. That's what I told you. I'm using it. That's the truth. I said, let me give it a try because there's this customer of mine that swear on this product. I said, okay, fine. I'll try it and I can't give you the feedback, okay? Here it's like this. If you want your skin to brighten up to like 2 shades, okay? Mix it this way and add little olive oil. If you have been following me, I've been talking about olive oil, olive oil, olive oil. Because one, olive oil brings down reactions, okay? That is it. And if you want to get this brighter shade, okay, my skin tone, if you want to get that brighter shade, this is the trick. Get this, okay? This. Get this. I know what you're thinking. I know, okay? Get this, add it to this. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this cream. This is B.S.C. If you have not seen my video, go and check it out about B.S.C, okay? This cream, it contains kojic. And I mentioned this one contains kojic, okay? Kojic is good on fair skin, okay? Contains kojic acid, okay? And also, it contains AHA. AHA. It's also good on normal and dry skin. It contains vitamin E and carrot oil. Vitamin E and carrot oil is good, okay? All of this that I mentioned, vitamin E, what it does is it heals scars. It repairs your skin. And carrot oil glows your skin. With kojic acid, lighten up your skin. AHA help your skin especially those with dry and normal skin. Take this, add it to this, then add this oil to it, okay? Mix. Then add lemon veit too. I will drop lemon veit, the picture here. I didn't call it, that's the truth. Add it. Then add little olive oil, mix it, use it, come back and tell me what's up. You won't have any reactions. I'm telling you the truth. If I don't know if my camera can pick my skin, I would have I would have shown you how flawless my skin is. I don't know if you can pick it, but I'm telling you the honest truth. This cream is a bomb. Is a game changer. Go and try it, and use this mix at night only, please. Do not use it in the daytime and be working under the sun. Not be me teach you that one, okay? Use it at night only, please. Do this and come back and tell me what's up. I wish you a beautiful day. See you in my next video. Bye bye.